Hi everybody, Mr. Flanders here, and welcome to another day of math. Today we are getting ready to kick off things with our morning calendar routine, so please join me as we sing our months of the year song, our 12 months of the year song. Here we go. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Cha-cha-cha. Yes, there are 12 months of the year. We are currently in the 9th month, September. Okay? Now, I know yesterday we tried singing our months of the year backwards. Would you guys like to try it today? Let's go ahead and try it. We're going to start with our last month, the 12th month, December. Here we go. December, November, October, September, August, July, June and May, April, March, February, and don't forget January. Cha-cha-cha. Very good, my friends. Very good, very good, very good. All right. Let's go ahead and do our days of the week next, our 7 days of the week. If you recall, we do the Addams Family song for our days of the week. So feel free to snap, clap, tongue click, or your foot. It is entirely up to you, my friends. But here we go. Addams Family Days of the Week song in 3, 2, 1, and days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Very good, my friends. Very good. Round of applause, everybody. Round of applause. All right. Yes, that was our 7 days of the week song. And if you remember, even though there's 7 days in the entire week, there are 2 days that we do not go to school. That would be Saturday and that would be Sunday. Okay? The other days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we do go to school. Yeah! All right. We are going to look at our calendar now. And as I've already said, our current month is September. Our day today is Thursday. We're now in Thursday. So we are actually on September 3rd as well. We are in the 3rd day of September, so that is why there's a 3 there in the calendar. All right? And yesterday was Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. Today is Thursday, September 3rd, 2020. Okay? Now, you'll see that I've already written today is Thursday here on our day chart. Yesterday was Wednesday. Do we have any ideas what tomorrow will be? Yes, tomorrow will be Friday. The day after Thursday is Friday. Okay, and that is the best day of the week because that means after we go to school and then we go home, weekend, woot, 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 woot. Why am I wooting? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Anyways, yes, tomorrow will be Friday. But for now, since today is still Thursday and it's not the weekend yet, that means we've got work to do. So please go ahead and go grab your packet, your pencil, and join me in just a second. All right, everybody, thank you for joining me for morning meeting. As we all know, today is September, which is the 9th month. It is the 3rd day, which is Thursday, and it is 20. That is the year 2020. Make sure you're writing your name at the top of the paper as well. All right. While you are finishing that up, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this worksheet today. This worksheet is a little bit different than what we've been doing the past couple of days. It is a problem-solving worksheet, which means we have to use, I guess you would say, a different way of thinking to solve the problem that we're going to be seeing on this paper today. Now, I'm not going to use my pencil today. Instead, well, okay, let me rephrase. I'm going to use my pencil to write the answer down here in just a moment. But instead, I'm going to be using pictures for our logical reasoning worksheet right here. All right, and that is because I want you guys to not see me drawing stick figures and judging me for my art skills. Okay, I'm really sensitive about that stuff. Yeah, we're going to approach this problem using logical reasoning. That means we're going to use our brains to figure out what the answer is, and we're going to also look at it in a certain way that the answer might be obvious, but if we had to really break it down, we could see how that's going to happen. Okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at our problem. It says Maria, Jose, and Xenia are standing in line at the door. Jose is last. Maria is not first. Show who is second in line. All right, so we've got the door. We've got Jose, who is last in line. We know that Maria is not first. And then we've got Xenia, who would be first. If Maria is not first, that means Xenia is going to be first. So it says we need to show who is second in line. So we've got our door, we've got Jose last, we've got Xenia in the front, and we've got Maria, who is not first. So if Maria is not first and Jose is in the last, or he is the last person in line, doesn't that mean that Maria is technically second in line? This is very true. This is very true. So Maria is going to be second in line. So what I would like you to do is take a moment and draw just a door on your paper. You're going to draw Jose, and he's going to be last in line. You're then going to draw Maria, who is not first, and then Xenia, who is first. Okay? Go ahead and take a couple of seconds and draw those pictures. No rush, no need to make it look incredibly artistic either. And while we're doing that, I'm also going to write in the box down here, or rather, I'm going to write on the line down here, who was second in line. And we know that that was Maria. Maria was second in line because she was not first and she was not last. And we can see in the picture that she is not first and she is not last. Okay, we're using our eyes to see the problem. We're using our brains to work out the problem. All right. And if you need to take a second, please feel free to pause the video. I don't want you to feel rushed. I want you to be able to write down the answer as well as get those pictures in. But yes, Jose is the last person in line. Xenia is the first person in line because Maria is not the first person in line. And if she is not last and she's not the first person, that means she is second. So not only are you going to write her name on this line, I also want you to circle her picture as well, the picture you made of Maria. So that way we can see not just her name, but also where she is in the line. All right. Go ahead and take a couple of seconds on that. And again, if you need to pause, feel free to do so. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and move on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk you briefly through the next worksheet you guys will actually be doing on your own. So this particular worksheet set up what we're going to be doing, what we're going to be doing on our own, but this kind of gives you an idea of how to do it. So first off, these pictures need to go bye-bye. Bye-bye, Maria, Jose, and Xenia. And we're going to look at the B-side worksheet. Now you'll notice a lot more of this, there's a lot more on this worksheet, not a crazy amount more, but a little bit more. And your job is going to be basically putting books in order, and then telling me what color book is at the bottom of the stack. Okay? Now, we are not going to be acting it out right now. We're not in class. We don't have people to act as books or things like that, so we're going to cross that out, and you're just going to be using logical reasoning. Okay? And we're going to be using logical reasoning because we're going to draw those pictures of the books, and we're going to be able to see which book is going to be at the bottom of the stack. Okay? And then it says at the bottom, explain how you got your answer. Right here is where you are going to write how you got your answer. And you can simply say, I put the books in order and saw that this book was the last one. Okay? It's entirely up to you how involved or how large you want to make your sentence down here talking about how you got your answer. But yeah, that is it from me for now, ladies and gents. I'm going to go ahead and get ready for our next lesson. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns with this one, please let me know. But this is a pretty straightforward problem. All you have to do is draw how the books go in order and then tell me what color book is at the bottom. All right, I'm going to get going. I will see you guys later. Stay strong, stay safe. Don't pick your noses.